training.
Training is a critical element of an integrity and compliance program. Research in this area has shown that employees, and even more the management of a company, need specific skills to identify, analyze, and balance ethical, legal, and economic considerations in order to be able to make values-based decisions. A training program should be based on a two-step model. The first layer of training activities should seek to transmit information about integrity and compliance concepts and specific knowledge. It should raise awareness about the ethical standards and specify expected behavior. This can be done in face-to-face training sessions or through online training instruments. Critical top management support is needed in order to establish active role models. For example, senior management and the board of directors should participate in those training sessions on a regular basis. Training should be specific to the target audiences based on individual job-related and company-related risk assessments. The second layer focuses on the development of integrity management and execution skills. Managers should be trained in how to use integrity management practices as crucial tools when making business decisions. This should then ultimately lead to ethically acceptable results. The skill dimension becomes especially important in situations where the complexity of business decisions, information asymmetry, business pressures, globalization effects, management across diverse cultures, and the demand for sustainable business models is growing. The objective of such skills training mainly focuses on the clarification of the major behavioral drivers and the transfer of knowledge about how to manage these. Conceptually, skills training aims at developing the competencies of managers to ingrain ethics and values in the institutional framework of an organization, and thereby follows the concept of building organizations as collective moral actors. 52 It also introduces practices and links these practices with the integrity and compliance function of the organization.